Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get calcium off pool tile. First, assess the type of calcium buildup you're dealing with, as this will guide your approach. Next, gather your tools, which might include a pumice stone, a stiff brush, or a commercial calcium remover. Finally, lower your pool's water level to ensure the affected tiles are fully exposed and accessible for cleaning. This preparation is key for effective removal. For lighter calcium deposits, a simple pumice stone or a stiff nylon brush can often do the trick. Gently scrub the affected areas, applying steady pressure. If the scale is more stubborn, consider using a specialized calcium removal tool designed for pool tiles. Remember to always test any mechanical method on a small, hidden section of tile first to ensure it won't scratch or damage the surface. When mechanical methods aren't enough, chemical solutions can be very effective. Choose a commercial calcium remover specifically formulated for pool tiles. Always read and strictly follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding application, safety precautions, and dwell time. Apply the product evenly. Let it sit for the recommended period, usually around 15 to 30 minutes, then scrub and rinse thoroughly to reveal clean tiles. Preventing calcium buildup is easier than removing it. Regularly test and adjust your pool's water chemistry, paying close attention to pH and alkalinity levels, keeping them within recommended ranges. Consistent brushing of your pool tiles, even when they look clean, can significantly reduce scale formation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. By staying proactive, your pool tiles will remain sparkling clean for longer, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.